Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Please help out my friend Will Patriot in his giveaway, 176 giveaway. Join up, help him. Help him, folks. This is Will Patriot, our buddy, our pal, our brother. Help him out. Remember, right here, he needs that number. Help him out. Get aboard, join him, send him cash. Help him out, folks. That's Will Patriot. That's fourth giveaway. Check it out. Check out his videos. He's a Second Amendment supporter. We're in trouble, folks. And Will's one of the good guys that's going to save our butts. Because Uncle Alan's really sick, and it's really bad here in California. That's why Steve went to Texas and drink beer. Okay? So check this out. Alrighty. And before I say that, say hi to the folks, Uni. It's damn cold out here. Bye, yes, it's California. And then like LA with the homeless and diseases. It's 43 in the desert. First, please check out Just in Time Prepping with Will. He's on today in the morning. Hurry quick, because I don't think Will's going to last too long, and he's going to be going to the doctor's quick. Please check him out. Check out these folks right here. Okay, because I can't say them all really fast. Uncle Alan's old and tired. All right, please check them out. Please check out these channels. Okay. And don't forget about these channels. And tell them Uncle Alan sent you over there. Especially this one right here. Jasmine Garcia. Tell them Uncle Alan, T.O. Al is sending you over there. Nice girl, little ditzy. Oh. And don't forget, folks, please check out Will Patriot's 1776 giveaway. Help them, folks. Or send them cash, or both. I hope that helps, Will. I'll catch you later. If I do ever hit something on this, please pass it to the next person who needs it. I'm a nice person. I gotta watch out my fellow survivalists and preppers. I live in California. Top that, kids. And I feel sorry for everybody from Cleveland, Ohio to the Northeast, because nobody ever listens to Uncle Al. All right? You're going to get snow. I still argue with my friends. You can check on my weather playlist. Weather 2019. We're still arguing about either inches or feet. Uncle Alan's old and only has a half a brain. And it's really cold, folks. I mean, we're talking in the teens or below zero in Canada. See Hubble's cat. He's talking about global warming again. Okay, check him out. You know, Hubble's cat sometimes can't sell it. If you gave Hubble's cat a used car and have him try to sell it, it's going to take forever. All right, folks? I'll catch you later. Also, I set up 2 new playlists. Bunny Stupid, and also Prepping if you're poor or stupid. Because I got too many questions the last 2 private classes I did. Uncle Alan doesn't live that long. So, you know, it's like, if I hear like you drink pea water through a life straw, I'm going to punch somebody. I swear. I'll catch you later, and here's Uni again. My folks, I drink rainbow pea. Lord. And you wonder why I quit teaching.